Merry Christmas Eve, apes. I hope you're all having a wonderful day with your loved ones. Christmas tomorrow and the market is closed, but just because the market sleeps, it doesn't mean that we do. We're coming at you with more research here today, and I think now that the year is coming to an end, of course we're not at the year end just yet, but it's definitely coming to an end, we should look over what we have found out this year. So the first thing that I'm going to look at is going to be what we're seeing from the price of AMC. This is an article on Reddit coming from a day ago. Bear in mind, guys, if you enjoy this content, like and subscribe, but remember, it is not financial advice. The Matrix came out and AA announced the opening of 2 more theatres in heavily populated areas. Debt obligations have been pushed to 2023, giving AMC more time to grow and collect cash. All good news, no bad news, and the stock drops 5% on the day of publishing this article, I assume. And we can see this person is sick of the manipulation. Once the mass is done, they are also done when it comes to investing. Well, of course, this line over here is nothing but opinion, but there is some truth to what has been published on the first 1.5 lines. Good news all across the board. If this was any other stock, we would expect the price to be rising. So that's the first thing that I want to highlight. We're seeing good news in this field. Now, from there, I want to go on to talk about the tweet from Adam Aron. Of course, this was on his Twitter. He'll never forget 2021, getting a nickname and hilarious memes. Importantly, he talked directly to his shareholders on Twitter via AMC Investor Connect as well. So we can see AMC and he are at the very forefront of this democratization of Wall Street. 10 years from now, all CEOs will be tweeting. Now, this is actually a very good point because bear in mind, when it comes to companies, they need to get money from somewhere, and the shareholders bring money to the table. So for a company to have great relations with their shareholders, it's a smart move, and I do believe it is the case that more CEOs will be doing it and definitely should be doing it into the future. Now, the next piece of info that we have is relatively short, but it does touch upon another key thing that I want to highlight over 2021. So AMC, we're looking at here, but GME as well, but mainly AMC has traded over 30 times its float this year, and GME traded over 7 times. Now, to put this into some perspective, we will see that Apple traded about 3/4 of its float, and Microsoft traded about half of its float as well. Google traded about 1/4 of its float. These are amongst the biggest companies in the world, and their whole float has not been traded more than once, and we traded over 30 times. Are they really trying to make us believe that there are not billions of synthetic shares out there when we are one of the strongest holding investors in the market? Merry Christmas and God bless you all. We will get back to work after the holidays. Well, this is nothing but fact. We're seeing very, very, very high amounts of AMC shares being traded this year, and when we put this into relation to some other stocks, more popular stocks in fact, the figures are significantly lower, and I'm not here to ponder upon that too much, but you guys already know what my opinions are. I'm very bullish on this one, and again, just because the market is asleep, it doesn't mean that we are. Of course, it is the holiday season. You guys will probably be quite busy spending time with friends and family. I will be doing the same, but I'm going to try and give you guys as many videos as possible. So keep an eye out. But again, if the upload schedule is reduced or not as much as you expect or not as frequent, you know why it is. Of course, we're going to be back after the Christmas break to the usual upload schedule, but I am going to try keep it as normal as possible anyway. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all in another one. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here, and again if you do join us it is completely free, link is down below, but if you do want to become a Patreon you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name, so your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.